Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi S3 Sportback Black edition. Now this particular example is also finished in the optional Tango red metallic paintwork, in which has really given this S3 that standout appearance. Now looking towards the fantastic performance, this S3 Sportback does feature a 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine which produces 310 PS and 400 Nm of torque, taking you from 0 to 62 in just 4.9 seconds. Taking a look now at the exterior key features, we find these exceptional LED laser headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find these S3 specific 19-inch 5-arm structured matte grey alloys, a part of the Audi Sport range, and they do look great against that red paintwork. To the side, there is the rear privacy glass, in which does keep those rear occupants from view, as well as continuing that overall gloss black and red theme. Looking towards the rear of the S3 now, and looking downwards, we find this fantastic rear diffuser with those slat inlays for added aggression, and either side of that, the chrome exhaust tips. Now moving into the rear boot space of the S3 Sportback, where we do find up to 325 litres of storage capacity. This is a large mount-free performance hatchback of this size. This can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional bags. Taking a look into the rear seats now, we find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest which is folded down to present two useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points located across the back row. This particular vehicle is also fitted with the Tech Pack, which does include that upgraded Bang & Olufsen stereo. Moving into the front, we find a very well designed and laid out cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, Alcantara, gloss black and aluminium. With this being the S3 model, does mean you get the full leather seats and also the Audi Sport S logo. Above now, there is the virtual cockpit display, in which is featured those two digital rev counters. Either side, you will find the view button and the arrows on the steering wheel, which can easily adjust this screen. To the centre of the dashboard now, we find this very impressive touchscreen MMI display, in which is featured the satellite navigation. As well as this, you can access your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below this, we find the equally impressive digital dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities located either side of this for both front occupants. Above now, there is the reversing camera as well as the front and rear sensors, making this S3 much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.